Beside the calm river, a muscular cat, donned in a life vest, sets down a cooler and fishing rod, ready for a day of angling. "A kitten, my son," erupts from the cooler, his eyes sparkling with playful intent. "A kitten, my son," erupts from the cooler, his eyes sparkling with playful intent. He darts along the riverbank, a mischievous glint in his eyes. He darts along the riverbank, a mischievous glint in his eyes. In the serene woods by the riverbank, a kitten crafts a bow and arrow, an unlikely hunter preparing for mischief. The tranquility shatters as the arrow strikes, sending the fisherman into the river. "Hey, what was that for?" Chaos erupts as the drenched man chases the kitten. Buckets topple and fish scatter into the river, sparking a frenzy among the anglers. At the beaver dam, the kitten begins his destructive work, pulling at the massive logs. With one final, decisive tug, the dam collapses, unleashing a torrent of water. The muscular cat leaps into the flood, rescuing his kitten and lifting him to safety.